right, we're about to install this beautiful headlight surround, surf blue JK. We're gonna clean off the area. Notice on these there is a right and a left. That is from the sitting in the driver's seat, so the right actually goes on the passenger side. There's little notches. You can see there's two notches where those are going to line up, so you're going to end up having it like so. Peel the tape off. Part has a lot of tape on it. But you never have too much tape, I don't think. You can see here that at the end of this one, the tape got a little bit dried out. You just want to check these and make sure that your tape is still viable so they don't come off. You can add extra. Up. And also you may notice, depending on the fit of your headlights, you're going to want to press around there so that this sits flush against the front of the teeth. So I had to wiggle the headlight just a tad to get the sides.